Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will create a earthquake distribution animation using QGIS. This will visualize the global distribution of earthquake from 2000 to 2024. So first of all, open a new empty project in QGIS, and then we need to add the layers. So first of all, I will add the world map layer. So to do that, in the coordinate box, I will write world and then hit enter. So that's how I'll add the world map layer. Then to get the earthquake data, I will go to this website. I will provide this link in the description box, and then we have to mention the year. So for this project, minimum year 2000 and maximum year 2024, and then search. This is the data, and we will download this. Here is a option to download the data. Download TSV file. The data is downloaded. This is the data. This is a TSV file. To open this file, we will open Excel and then open a blank workbook. After opening the blank workbook in Excel, I will drag and drop the TSV file in the Excel file. So the TSV file now is open in the Excel file. And the first row is the header row, and it shows the year, month, and date, day in separate columns. And the second row is we don't need that actually, so I'll delete that. And then I need a column that has year, month, and date together. So to create that column, I'll insert a column, then give a title equal date and year, month, and day. For year, B2, then month, and then day. I'll hit enter. So here's the complete date, and double click here, and we have date for all the entry. Now for QGIS, for to use this date in QGIS, we uh, need date in different format. We need the year first, then the month, then the day. So to change the format, we'll go here, more number formats, and then go to date. And this is the format we want. It's the year first, then the month, then the day. We'll click that and OK. So the format is changed now. Then we'll save the file and close it. After that, we can add this earthquake file data in QGIS. So for that, I'll go here, then delimited text. The file is in downloads. Click that, open, and we need to come here and custom delimiters. We need to click that and tab option. Then this is our table. Also, we need to make sure X field is longitude and Y field is latitude. Here's our new column, date. We can check the whole table. Okay, we can add close. And this is the earthquake data in green dots. Now we will change the layer styles. So click here, open the layer styling panel. Then we'll select the earthquake data, and then here heat map, and we'll change the color. We can choose any color ramp. I will choose here turbo, and I'll put this layer below. Now we can see the world map. And change, increase or decrease the opacity. I'll keep it as 100%. Then go to properties and fields. We can check the date field has a date type, so that's okay. Then go to temporal and dynamic temporal control, and we'll select this single field with date and time option, and field will be date. And event duration, here we'll select years, because we want to show data for every year. So apply and okay. After doing that, this clock sign will be here. We need to click that, and then we can choose this layer setting panel. I'm just readjusting the different panels. So in the temporal controller panel, we'll click here and we can run set to full range. Then I will click years from here, and then we can run. So it is showing the yearly change, but we can't understand it because the year is not shown here. So we will add the year. So to do that, we'll go to view and then decorations, then title label, and enable title label, and we need to edit an expression. So to do that, go to format date. We need this option, format date, then at the rate map start time, map start time, comma, we need to give the format. We need to give the format. So YY, then first bracket close. So it's a preview, that is it's 2014, so it's okay. Then we can change the font size and font style. So I'll increase the size here and configure format. I will select this one, then bold italic. Also I'll change the color to white, and okay. Background bar color, I'll pick this color, and then placement will be top center, and apply okay. So that's how it is. Now to add if you want to add your name, then you can again go to view, decoration, and copyright label, enable copyright label, and you can put your name or any other thing. I will change the font and size and other things. Bottom center will be the placement, and then apply. Okay, we'll change the this also, bold italic. Okay, apply. Okay, now I can run. So it's almost ready. Now I can just save the file. We can change also this how many frame per second. So I'll keep this as 1 frame per second, and then go to save. And we need to give an output directory where the file will be saved. So this is my file here. We need to select a folder. Desktop, this is my folder. So select folder, and then in this extend uh, option, we need to calculate from world map. So save. So this is exporting the animation. Task is complete. Now the files are here. Desktop. The files are actually in JPG format, sorry, PNG format. So to make a animation, we can use any online platform. Like just search this GIF Maker online, and we'll go here and then choose files. We'll select all the files. So here we can delay, increase or decrease the delay for each frame. Then I will here increase the delay. Then delay, I will increase it here. So it will change for every frame. So I will change it to 40. So make a GIF. So it's ready here. Now I can just save this. It's downloaded. Now I can open. So it's the final file. So the red area where the maximum earthquakes happened, and bluish areas show less earthquakes. So that's it.